Hi there, I was watching this video, Ruby design process. It's about making a Ruby laser, I believe. And I clicked on this sort of timeline here, I don't know what to call it. And I noticed this bump here. So now, I don't know if this is a new thing with YouTube, but saying the most replayed part there, I haven't been up to this part, so it's not me that's created this bump here, it's other people. And we can see obviously at the start of the video there's a bump. I don't think there's any more on this video. Let me have a look at another video. I'll go back to the, this was relating
Showing a
to
method
this.
to create synthetic rubies.
This was relating to this video. I was watching how to make a ruby in a microwave. Don't try to do this at home sort of stuff. But this chap here, a pirate, if you read the comments below, see how it's got some peaks here? 255, so that's presumably being replayed quite a bit. And this part here is the most replayed part. And another high peak there. So, and it looks like quite a few people viewing it at the end of the video as well. So I'm not sure if this is a new thing on YouTube. Let me play this.
In a microwave.
So if I play that, now I
this is
hover my mouse pointer
about
over the
creating
bottom of the
synthetic
video
rubies
and we
in the
see this
workshop. My first one involved
timeline,
using
I
an arc
suppose it
welder
is.
and a
That's a
carbon
good
electrode and a
image
graphite
there,
crucible to
because
heat
we got
a
dark
ruby
background.
base
And
material
we can see
until
where
it was
the peaks
completely
of
molten into a rather
video
impressively
have been
large
viewed on that.
polycrystalline ruby.
I'll put
Elemental
these links
Maker
down
is the name
below
of another YouTube channel that
so you can watch
originally
the same
inspired my
videos.
first video, and on his